In this video, we'll demonstrate the process of changing your Facebook location settings. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Whether you've traveled to a different country or simply want to update your Facebook profile to reflect your location accurately, this process is straightforward and hassle-free. Make sure to watch the entire video to avoid any potential mistakes. I'll break it down into two simple steps: changing your preferred location language and adjusting your current location. Start by opening Facebook and landing on your home page. Start by locating the menu button, usually located at the bottom left corner of your Facebook app or website. If you are using an Android device, the menu button might be situated at the top right, but it should be visible somewhere on your screen. On the following screen, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it. Next, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Language and Region and tap on it. You'll discover a variety of language options that correspond to different regions. Choose the one that best suits your preference and location. Next, return to your Facebook homepage and tap on your profile picture next to your name. On the profile interface, tap on Edit. Within the Edit Profile section, scroll down until you find Edit next to Details. Tap on it. Continue scrolling until you locate Current City. Tap on it to edit your current location. You can now remove the previous location and input your current one. For instance, if you're in New York, search for and select the option that matches your location. After making the change, tap on Save. See, you've successfully updated your Facebook region settings to reflect your desired location. It's actually pretty easy. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.